your time. Time to take a breath of fresh air with the scent of freedom. It is time to fly, as far as your wings can take you, to land in the most welcoming nature, to choose your own adventure, in safety. Dominican Republic awaits you with open arms, with everything you like most. What are you waiting for?
Dominican Republic has it all.
Thanks first to all organizers of this magnificent encounter of regions of the world, races, creeds, all united for the common goal, the ecotourism. Especially goes our thanks to Mr. Mustafa Calendar, Mr. John Bruno, the governor of this lovely city and the mayor of this clean, full eco space. My congratulations for both and for the people of Tokat that has given the best we can offer, hospitality and generosity. Also goes our admiration to the International Association of Destination Wedding Professionals for the great job they have done organizing this event. After watching those beautiful spots regarding my lovely country, I would like to say some words about the Dominican Republic. With a population of over 10 million people, the Dominican Republic has a territory stretching 48,000 square kilometers. Coveted shores face the Caribbean Sea in the south and the Atlantic Ocean in the north. As 2019, around 6.5 million visitors and more than 1.1 million cruise passengers makes their way to the Dominican Republic. It makes us, the Dominican Republic, one of the most important destinations in the whole Latin American and, of course, the most important one in the Caribbean basin. Quisqueya, as Dominican, called their home, meaning mother of all lands. Quisqueya was the ancient name that the Taínos used to call our land. It's a country of superlative. This was the first permanent Spanish settlement in the Americas, or in the New World. With the arrival of Christopher Columbus on his first voyage in 1492, aside from choosing Dominican Republic as his sole residence in the region, a land blessed with fertile soil and gold deposits, Columbus and the Spanish crown used the country as a launching pad for conquest across the Caribbean and the United States and beyond, even to South America. So everything started in the Dominican Republic. Today, the first city of the Americas, Santo Domingo, is the capital of the Dominican Republic and continues to thrive while preserving its history and original Spanish architecture. Aside from historic first, everything's first. First hospital, first everything in the Dominican Republic, in America. Nation and people, its landscape range from the highest peak in the region, which is the Pico Duarte, to the lowest body of water, Lago Enriquillo. A whopping 6,000 species of flora and 7,000 species of fauna include captive flowers, endemic hogs, and humpback whales. The country's cultural makeup, Taino, European, and Africa, includes a diverse population welcomed in the Dominican Republic since 19th century. From Ottoman Empire, arrived to our shores several thousands. Jewish, Europeans, and Japanese community also arrived in the Dominican Republic, and the Afro-Caribbean groups proclaimed World Heritage by UNESCO. Whether you choose to visit our shores, our verdant mountain towns, or fishing villages, or our cactus-lined landscape, you will uncover a unique side of the Dominican Republic along the way. You will experience a unified passion for our music and dance, merengue, bachata, and song, our diverse gastronomy that includes many dishes from Ottoman heritage. Together, they make the essence of the Dominican spirit. The Dominican Republic is the second largest and most diverse Caribbean country, the #1 destination for golf in the Caribbean and in Latin America. Dominican Republic delights visitors with 26 designer golf courses. Dominican Republic also offers a fantastic combination of environment to capture your imagination and refresh your soul. And with 8 international airports, paradise has never been easier to explore and never been closer. We invite you to discover our breathtaking island, Santorini, and create memories that will last forever. Now I will share with you some personal, let's say, memories, experiences that I have catch with this memorable encounter here. Today, we are living an endless night of endless nightmares due to an enemy who entered our life with the stealth of death called COVID-19. And countries in general sense have addressed the great health crisis individually, forgetting in many cases the global crisis needs a multilateral solution. An example of this is the unbalanced distribution of vaccines. We will not be safe until we are all safe. I bring your interest in this great and unique forum that promotes ecotourism, not as a comprehensive solution, but as a proposal that could help delay or at least soften the impact of a change that we already are experiencing, the climate change. On many occasions, changes are sought because we understand they could bring us well-being, but the climate change is not the case. Many of our coasts could soon belong to the seabed. As a multilateral response, the United Nations, local financial entities, and world organizations should take a more active role in the development of ecotourism, giving training and tax incentives to all those who make the decision to invest in ecotourism development. We already have several tools at hand, among them the International Ecotourism Society, which could well help preserve, as a consultant, on the proper management of a tourism that increasingly shows more awareness about nature, travelers that every day are more interested in ecotourism, which bring direct benefits to the locals, keep the ecosystem intact and put cultures in direct contact in a sustainable and real way that is increasingly desired by tourists. Ecotourism itself is not and will not be a remedy for climate change, but it is a help. And we hope that the passion of John Bruno and Mustafa Kalendar and all his team will be contagious, not only to those who seek the pleasure of traveling in an ecotourist way, but also to all of those that directly are involved in different manners in climate change. Thank you very much for your attention, and very honored and happy to be here with you.